In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and configure debug logs using Salesforce. By the end of this guide, you'll have a better understanding of how to monitor and troubleshoot issues using debug logs in Salesforce, which can be incredibly helpful for developers, admins, and anyone involved in system maintenance or troubleshooting. Let's begin your journey at the home page of Salesforce. Once you're there, look towards the upper right part of your screen for the gear icon. This is your settings menu, your gateway to everything configuration related. A quick tip here. Familiarizing yourself with the settings menu can help you navigate Salesforce more efficiently, whether you're setting up debug logs or tweaking user permissions. Click on that gear icon and select Open Advanced Setup. This will lead you into a more detailed configuration area of Salesforce where many of the deeper options reside. From here, you can configure a lot more, including the debug logs we're focusing on today. In this advanced setup area, you'll want to use the search bar. Type in debug logs and Salesforce will guide you directly to the section you need. This search functionality is a real time saver, so utilize it whenever necessary. Once you're on the debug logs page, you'll notice a button labeled New. Clicking on this allows you to create a new debug log, which is essential for capturing logs related to errors or performance issues. Start by choosing what's called the entity type. This is essentially selecting which user or process you want to monitor for debugging purposes. After selecting the entity type, you'll need to specify the start and end dates for the logs. Accurate dates ensure that you capture the right data without going overboard, cluttering your logs with unnecessary information. Next, you'll notice a highlight option. This allows you to focus on specific events or operations within the logs, granting you deeper insights into the particular areas you want to examine. Now, move on to the new debug level feature. Here, input a name that clearly identifies the purpose of your log for future reference. Maintaining a naming convention is helpful, particularly if you're managing multiple logging setups. Finally, after entering your new debug level details, make sure to save it. Don't forget to hit save after concluding your setup on the main debug pages. This ensures that all your configurations are properly stored and ready to go. With that completed, you're set to capture and review logs efficiently in Salesforce. Debug logs can be incredibly valuable in diagnosing issues and monitoring system behavior, making this an essential tool in any Salesforce administrator or developer's toolkit. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy debugging.